whoop, 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 Gangnam Style. Yes. Okay. So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you. Yes, we're gonna show you the steps first. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the right foot. Okay, first 8 counts. It's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. We're gonna keep repeating that steps. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Again, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Now let's add the hand movement. 5, 6, 7, and eh. Just like sexy lady. Okay? Then throw your left knee 4 times. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. Then the last step. Last step, hold your knees. Pretend it hurts from doing the knee kick. Okay? Then keep bouncing your back. Eh. Sexy lady. Okay? That's it, right? So, let's try with the music. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Gangnam Style dancers. Gangnam Style. Alright, let's move on. Thank you very much.